Welcome to the online news desk of the Insurance Times. The Insurance Times is the first monthly journal of insurance in India, being published regularly since 1981. We are celebrating 41 years of publications in the year 2021. The journal is published both in hard copy and online edition. Here are some highlights of some important news. Reliance General Insurance launches Digital Care Management. Reliance General Insurance Company Limited launched Reliance Digital Care Management, a one-of-its-kind OPD product that aims to cover the insured against the regular medical expenses incurred during an outpatient treatment. The product has been chosen as one of the few ideal and innovative offerings under the IRDAI Sandbox guidelines. The pandemic too has made people more health aware, because of which expenses incurred towards OPD treatment has increased over time, leading to an average Indian spending close to 5,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees on an annual basis towards such an expense. Reliance General Insurance offers to provide a financial cushion to customers for such out-of-pocket expenses with Digital Care Management policy. The policy comes with a host of benefits that offers unlimited physician consultations along with covering pharmacy or medicine expenses, investigation expenses, and dental and ophthalmology cover. Insurance firms seek a hike in Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Life insurers proposing for repricing of Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. According to calculations, the premium would have to be fixed at a little over 400 rupees per annum per policy from the current 330 rupees. On a cumulative basis, there were 10.34 crore persons enrolled under the scheme with a total of 2.6 lakh claims by May this year. The government is also looking to bring more people under the scheme. The Finance Ministry had recently said it would try and bring the 43.04 crore eligible account holders of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana announced under PMJJBY and Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. General insurers' underwriting losses fall. General insurance industry has seen its net profit rise around 300% year-on-year to Rs 3,868 crores, and the underwriting losses also witnessed decline in FY21. General insurers had made losses of Rs 1,403 crores in FY20 as per an analysis based on data from General Insurance Council. The industry's total underwriting losses fell 17.24% to 19,416 rupees crore in the period. Max Life Insurance partners with Waymo. Max Life Insurance Company Limited has recently partnered with Waymo, the sales acceleration platform of choice for leading financial institutions, to launch M-Smart, a mobile application for digital monitoring of its agency distribution channel. Empowered by Waymo's mobile-first application, over 5,000 of Max Life's office heads and agency development managers will be able to effectively manage their day-to-day activities and business planning with simplified sales governance and focused engagement matrices. The partnership marks another digital transformation project undertaken by the San Francisco headquartered startup in the fast-growing financial industry and fintech market to serve managers and business leaders through its monitoring and relationship management platform. We shall be back after a short commercial break. Please stay tuned. Welcome back after the break. Centre extends health insurance scheme to Anganwadi workers. The centre extended the ambit of the health insurance scheme for frontline to pandemic workers to include Anganwadi workers and helpers, officials in the Ministry of Women and Child Welfare said. With the move, as many as 13,29,000 Anganwadi workers and 11,79,000 Anganwadi helpers are expected to get a health cover of 50 lakh rupees. The insurance cover will be provided under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana and will be retrospective. That is, it will apply from the date that the WHO declared the pandemic in March 2020, said an official. Those eligible for the health cover will include those who worked during the pandemic engaging in awareness drives, door-to-door ration distribution, community fever surveillance, interacting with affected families and those who provided support for home quarantine among others. Life insurance companies poised for strong quarter 2. Indian life insurance companies are poised to post up to 34% growth, the value of premiums paced by higher volumes, group insurance coverage and sale of fixed income linked coverage products. However, margin expansion could be restrained due to a rise in reinsurance rates. Analysts are also monitoring residual pandemic linked claims in the second quarter after a sharp jump in the first quarter that led to a rise in provisions. Elara Securities expects the top 4 life insurers, HDFC Life, ICICI Prudential Life, Max Life and SBI Life to post an annualized premium equivalent APE growth of between 14% and 34% in the second quarter. APE is a common measure of ascertaining new business viability in the life insurance industry. It is the sum of the regular annualized premium from the new business plus 10% of the first single premium in a given year. Elara expects margins based on value of new business to improve due to higher volumes and increase in group policies. VNB helps to gauge the value of an insurer on the basis of the new business it got in the last year. This was all from the Online Insurance Times news desk. We will be back with latest news in insurance industry in our next edition. Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications for the next video. Stay connected.